Hey YouTube, Brandon from RC Flyer here. We're taking up the UMX air tractor. It's been a while. Like this plane, low wing. It has lights, it's got flaps. It's a great model. Let's take her up. Take off flaps. And we're up, guys. Doesn't take much on these UMX planes to get up in the air. Got the landing flaps to show how slow we can go. Into the wind. Flaps are up. Try to keep her close. Since she's small, it's hard to film. Do a nice loop. Wind push that a little. Roll rate at about 50%. Very quiet UMX.
Landing flaps.
We'll try to take her in for a nice landing. Maybe a touch and go. And there we go. Roll rate. Doesn't have a good snap. Oof. With the clouds, I lost orientation for a minute. That was close, and I didn't need safe. Nice and low and slow. Look at it. Yes, beautiful colors. Do a big loop. And over and back towards us. Wind's blowing. You can see the lights. Large loop. She slows right down with just a little bit of wind. Come back across the runway. And we'll do another touch and go if we can.
Landing flaps.
Landing flaps out. Touchdown.
Flaps up.
That was nice. Nice and slow right past us. See the wind pushing it? Don't want to drop a wing. Such a fun plane. So quiet today, early morning here at my club. Early morning. Beat the heat is what I try to do.
Landing flaps.
Let's see if we can get one more land and... Wow, I'm gonna come back around. I'm gonna try to land though. There we go.
Take off flaps. Flaps up.
One more landing though, and we'll call it good for the day. Coming in.
Landing flaps.
Got the landing flaps out. Nope, that was a bad bounce. Let's try her again. Do not like to end a flight on a bad landing, if I can. That was bad. Try it again. That time I just didn't give her any throttle with the wind. This time I'll give her a little bit of throttle when I come in, right around here. And the wind lifted it. But there we go. Right in the grass. Whoops. Not ready for that, but that's all right. Nice landing.
Takeoff flaps.
Nice scale takeoff, let's see. Wasn't that great.
Flaps up.
Flaps up. That I didn't commit to.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that move. And then try to land. Too fast.
Landing flaps.
Woof.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
Wind's picking up. All rudder. Touch and go. Woohoo! The wind picked up that wing a little quick. All right, now we're just gonna take her in.